We present Learning on the Fly, Rapid Policy Adaptation via Differentiable Simulation. In this work, we develop a novel framework for online policy learning in the real world, which rapidly adapts a control policy to unknown disturbances within seconds during real-world deployment. We demonstrate its effectiveness in quad-rotor control tasks, including stabilizing hover and trajectory tracking, under various combinations of disturbances, such as added mass and unstable crosswinds. Starting from a differentiable, low-fidelity dynamics model, we first train a control policy to optimize a differentiable task reward via analytical policy gradients. Then we deploy the policy and continually collect real-world flight data and use it to learn and refine a residual dynamics model, which is embedded into the hybrid differentiable simulator to refine the control policy. This alternating optimization process of policy training, real-world rollout, and residual dynamics learning allows the policy to continually adapt to varying unknown real-world disturbances in an efficient online fashion. In stabilizing hover, our method achieves up to 81% error reduction over L1 MPC and up to 55% over the PPO-based Deep Adaptive Tracking Control method. In trajectory tracking, our approach excels particularly in the large disturbance scenario, where DATT fails to generalize. Moreover, our method is both sample and computationally efficient, ensuring each real-world sample contributes to both model fidelity and control performance. Our approach can also adapt sparse visual feature-based policies without explicit state estimation. Here, we show a vision-based hovering experiment with additional mass and wind disturbances. Our method also enables continual policy adaptation under time-varying disturbances, as shown in this simulated experiment. Finally, we demonstrate the effectiveness of our method on a large quadrotor with different physical properties, including mass, inertia, and thrust profile.